Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2022 Audi E-Tron GT. This is finished in Daytona Gray Pearl Effect. This is the fully electric E-Tron sedan. This has the lithium-ion traction battery with 10 hours charge time. Up here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no damage. This vehicle is nearly brand new. Right around 500 miles on the odometer. And back here at the driver rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches, no scuffs. You have the active rear spoiler back here. Nice rear diffuser. And back here to the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no damage. These are 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. These tires still have 830 seconds left of tread life. And finally up here to the passenger front, great shape, no curb rash, no damage. Take you to the interior. You have black leather with Alcantara simulated suede. A huge fixed panoramic sunroof. Power adjustable driver and passenger seat with lumbar support. Really nice wood grain trim here. A haptic touch LCD monitor. Dual zone climate control with 3-stage heated front seats. You also have the Alcantara simulated suede steering wheel. And a nice big Audi virtual cockpit instrument cluster. And you'll see there 498 miles on the odometer. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.